Hi guys, Rob here, and in this video we're talking about the linking words furthermore and moreover. These are two words that you can use to extend your ideas in spoken and written contexts. Furthermore, they're going to be real useful for you if you're studying for an English exam that you're going to take in the near future. We're going to look at lots of example sentences so that you can see them in use, and we're going to look at the common mistakes that people make when they try to put these into sentences. This is the My English Teacher Rob channel, where we're all about helping you to become fluent and confident in English so that you can go out into the world and make new English speaking friends and connections. So if you enjoy this video and you find it useful, hit the subscribe button before you leave. Let's make a start. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to know about these linking words is that they are formal. So it's okay for you to put them in your essays and if you're giving a presentation, but they're going to sound a little bit strange if you try to throw them into everyday conversation. The second thing is they mean pretty much the same thing as one another. They're interchangeable more or less. You can take one of them out and put the other one in its place and it won't change the meaning of your sentence. The main usage of furthermore and moreover is to add emphasis and extend the meaning of a point that you gave in your previous sentence, to add emphasis to what you've already said. So if you take a sentence such as, can't find my phone, the main advantage of mobile phones is their size. Furthermore, you can use them to access a wide range of applications and the internet. In that sentence, furthermore is used correctly because it adds an additional advantage. It's connected to the first point. Grammatically then, you want to give your first point in the first sentence, one complete sentence, and put a full stop at the end. Then you're going to begin a new sentence with furthermore or moreover. Then you're going to put a comma, and then you're going to put your second point that adds the further information. Here's another example. The internet is a great place to carry out research. Furthermore, it's mostly available for free to everyone. In this sentence, again, we can see that we've got another further advantage of the internet, which is connected with the first sentence that I said. Another one. Our manager is completely and totally incompetent. Furthermore, he always arrives late for work. In these sentences, we can see that there are two reasons there why the manager is bad. There's a connection between them. The most common misuse of this linking word that I see is when it's used to give an additional point that is not really connected with the preceding sentence. It gives additional information, but it's not connected in any way to what we've just said. If we take the sentence I gave you earlier, for example, the most obvious advantage of mobile phones is their size. Furthermore, families should speak with one another at mealtimes rather than staring at their screens. This usage of furthermore is incorrect. Although we're still on the same subject of mobile phones, we're talking about something completely unrelated, and it's a disadvantage that we've given, where in the first sentence we had an advantage. I think perhaps the reason why many of you are having trouble with this connector is that a lot of the dictionary definitions that are online or even in books are not really that helpful. I did have a look around online before making this video at some of the different online dictionaries. In the example sentences that they give, they didn't provide the preceding sentence, so it was difficult to see that the idea that follows the connector was connected with the previous sentence. So what I suggest you do is maybe go to like Google News or something like that and type in furthermore and see if you can find some real world, like real life examples of this connector in use, because that will really help you to understand it better. I think we're gonna move the camera a little bit. I'm going a little bit blind here. It's a beautiful park though, right? So remember guys, use it or lose it. The best time to practice with these connectors is right after you've learned them. So if you feel like you understand this connector a bit better, now would be a good time to write a practice sentence and put it in the comments section underneath this video. This is the My English Teacher Rob channel, where we're all about helping you to become more fluent and confident in English. So if you've enjoyed this video and you found it useful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button before you leave, and that way you'll be notified next time that I upload a new video. We've got loads more coming for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.